George Clooney, the ultimate finest man, has skillfully combined his abilities as an actor, director, screenwriter, and producer to create an impressive career that many people aspire to. After decades of success, Clooney has turned his wealth into a glittering international real estate business with the help of his fantastic wife, Amal Clooney, a distinguished international human rights lawyer. The couple has accumulated an extraordinary collection of lavish homes, from the star-studded glitz of LA to the romantic beauty of Lake Como in Italy. Join us as we tour around the famous George Clooney houses. Studio City, Los Angeles. Clooney's real estate adventure began in 1995, at the height of his television success on ER, where he played Dr. Doug Ross, which catapulted him to celebrity. That same year, he purchased his first large property, a magnificent mansion in Studio City, Los Angeles, for $2.2 million from music legend Stevie Nicks. This gorgeous pad was just the start of Clooney's impressive real estate portfolio. Originally a spacious 7,000-square-foot home with 6 bedrooms, the place has seen significant upgrades, evolving into a dreamy and beautiful retreat that Clooney still happily calls his own. Over the years, Clooney has invested millions of dollars to upgrade the house and makes it fit his laid-back yet elegant way of life. Among the distinctive elements are the Playhouse, a unique building designed as an entertainment space for entertaining intimate friends and family, a gorgeous cable railroad that winds around the estate, and a specifically designed outdoor pizza oven perfect for parties. The home exudes timeless elegance with its rich farmwood flooring, soaring ceilings, and enormous stone fireplaces, providing a refined yet warm and inviting feel. In a rare interview with CBS in 2012, Clooney showed off the well-kept interior design of his Studio City retreat, which blends comfort and traditional elegance. Every element of the property, from the intricate architectural details to the faultless design, reflects Clooney's impeccable taste and enthusiasm for creating. After marrying Amal in 2014, the couple turned the bachelor pad into a family-friendly abode, especially after the birth of their twin daughters in 2017. Despite living here for nearly 3 decades, Clooney has never considered leaving his Studio City mansion. The property has evolved with him, adapting to his changing lifestyle, and remains his primary residence, where he can unwind from the pressures of fame and the demands of his careers. Lake Como, Via Oleandra. George Clooney was already captivated by the charms of Italy even before he joined Hollywood's power couple. His purchase of Via Oleandra, a magnificent 18th century home situated on the banks of Lake Como, is a superb example of this link. In addition to impacting his personal life, his $7 million purchase from the Hines family cemented his reputation as the quintessential Hollywood hottie with a penchant for upscale vacations. With more than 25 rooms and a plethora of opulent facilities, Via Oleandra epitomizes Italian refinement. Clooney's incredible collection of antique motorbikes, which nearly resulted in a terrible accident, is housed in a spacious garage on the expansive property, which also features an outdoor pool and tennis courts. The Via's interiors are just as impressive, with ornate carved ceilings, spacious bathrooms designed for pampering, and even a dedicated pizza room, ensuring that every aspect of Italian culture gets embraced. The villa is not just a retreat for Clooney and his family, it's also a haven for his A-list friends. Numerous celebrities, including Meghan Markle and Prince Harry, have visited the villa. Matt Damon and Jennifer Aniston have also relished the luxurious comforts of the mansion, and in keeping with its legendary past, the villa's stunning surroundings were used as a backdrop for Clooney's blockbuster movie, Ocean's 12. In 2019, Clooney and Amal partnered with the fundraising site Omas to give one fortunate donor a lunch at Via Oleandra, giving fans a unique chance to enjoy this little paradise. In addition to dining at a 5-star Italian restaurant, Deborah had the opportunity to observe the Clooney estate's elegance and charm up close. It's believed that George Clooney also owns the villa next door, Via Margherita, which he bought around the same time. Sonning, England, a romantic English haven. George and Amal Clooney have experienced a turning point in 2014. In addition to their spectacular wedding in Venice, the couple embarked on a new adventure by acquiring a stunning property on the picturesque English island of Sonning. This $13 million 4-acre property on the banks of the River Thames is an essential element of their shared life because it expertly combines modern luxury and historic beauty. The estate's Georgian-style home is centered around a vast entry hall with towering ceilings and intricate moldings, exemplifying traditional sophistication. A personal touch is added in the sitting area, where framed family photos contribute to the sophisticated atmosphere. In addition to its traditional furnishings, the home has remarkable facilities, including a sumptuous pool and a 16-seat screening room affectionately referred to as the party zone. The mansion also has a grass-covered garden with citrus trees. The Sonning Estate is more than just a place to live, it's a charming haven that reflects George and Amal's mutual love of simple luxury and tranquil life. This English retreat offers the ideal setting for their cherished life together, whether they're entertaining or enjoying peaceful moments. Midtown Manhattan in New York. George and Amal Clooney added to their real estate holdings in 2016 when they paid about $15 million for an impressive 4-story apartment in a Midtown Manhattan skyscraper. The 94 apartments in the building, created by the well-known architectural company Foster & Partners, exemplify contemporary luxury. They're distinguished by their large windows, high ceilings, and polished concrete floors, along with several upscale facilities like a gym, library, lap pool, and a gourmet market with a restaurant run by Michelin-starred chef Joël Robuchon. The Clooney property provides stunning city views. The couple's hectic lives are conveniently based in this Manhattan home, especially for Amal, who needs to be close to her job at Columbia Law School, where she specializes in international law and human rights. The Clooneys also have at least one home close to Gerber and Crawford, and rumors say they purchased the apartment right above their present property. Domaine du Canadel, Provence. Now, George Clooney added Domaine du Canadel, a significant and magnificent wine estate in Provence, France. In 2021, Clooney bought Domaine du Canadel, an $8.3 million wine estate in Provence, France, to further increase his real estate holdings. This 18th century home is situated in a charming village around 12 miles from Chateau Miraval, the vineyard where Brad Pitt, a personal friend of Clooney, owns. Domaine du Canadel, spanning 425 acres, perfectly blends sumptuous qualities with natural beauty. The estate has an olive grove, a tranquil lake, a 72-foot pool, and magnificently planned gardens. In addition, 25 acres of vineyards and a tennis court provide recreational options and honor the region's winemaking legacy. The magnificent main house, a 10,000-square-foot Provençal treasure, sprawled over the estate's center. It provides plenty of room for partying and resting, and the residence is built to comfortably house the Clooney family and numerous guests, although the precise number of bedrooms and bathrooms is still unknown. Domaine du Canadel Vineyards produces excellent wines, like reds and rosés, representing the region's winemaking heritage. A committed group oversees the estate's operations, ensuring that ancient agricultural methods are maintained while integrating contemporary environmental practices. This balance shows Clooney's dedication to both luxury and ecological conservation. The main house on the property is an example of brilliant architecture. Its stone exterior, terracotta roof tiles, and shuttered windows provide sweeping vistas of the surrounding vineyards and rolling hills. Vista Drive in Beverly Hills. Now, George Clooney owned a gorgeous Mediterranean-style property on Vista Drive in Beverly Hills before becoming well known for his Studio City mansion. He snagged this gem in 1995, just as ER was becoming famous. The mansion symbolized his meteoric ascent in Hollywood, with beautiful construction that seamlessly integrated indoor and outdoor spaces, something Clooney cherishes for leisure and entertainment. Although he sold it in 1999, the mansion still remains an essential element of his real estate experience, representing the early beginnings of his celebrity. Cabo San Lucas in Mexico. In addition to his amazing homes in Europe and North America, George Clooney has discovered a bit of heaven in Mexico with a stunning holiday property in Cabo San Lucas. This beachfront retreat in the prestigious El Dorado Golf and Beach Club was created with his close friends Cindy Crawford and Randy Gerber. Now, the estate comprises 2 modern residences connected by a shared courtyard, providing an ideal balance of privacy and social space. Each house has open living spaces that flow seamlessly into the outside, capturing Cabo's easygoing yet sumptuous atmosphere. This hotel emanates seamless elegance with its beautiful top-tier facilities and breathtaking views of the Sea of Cortez. This sunny retreat is more than just a vacation spot. It epitomizes Clooney's passion for sharing beautiful surroundings with loved ones. Whether he's staying with a loved one or entertaining visitors, the getaway offers an ideal harmony of peace and opulence. Clooney and his family would love the villas since they have the expansive views of the Sea of Cortez, and private beaches are only just a short distance away. George Clooney's real estate portfolio is more than a showcase of gilded homes, but rather it reflects his extraordinary career as an actor, humanitarian, and world citizen. From his hobbies to his attention to detail, from a deep appreciation for beauty in every residence, from the tranquil shores of Lake Como to the bustling hills of Los Angeles, it all reflects his passions, his attention to workmanship, and great respect for beauty and comfort. Thanks for taking a tour of George Clooney's famous houses. For more behind-the-scenes looks inside your favorite celebs' homes, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel if you liked it. We'll see you in our upcoming video.